Hey guys, I wanted to come on here really quick and do a quick video. Would help if I turn the lights on. To alter a flashcard. I've got some tape here, and I got some book page here that I was going to put on. And I got a flower that I was going to use. I originally was going to do it with napkin, but I don't really like the way it looks on this one. Okay. I think I'll just use art glitter glue on the flower. I almost put that on upside down. I still want it, be able to tell that it's a flashcard. I got a little piece of Edith text here. I'm putting down there. I've only got one little bitty piece of Edith text left out of a whole two of the books. And that's all the Edith paper that I've got left. I used them both up. I probably won't buy any more for a while, since they're usually pretty expensive. Alright, let me see here. I backed it with just a piece of just a regular tea-dyed paper. You can still see through it, but it's able to be written on. But yeah, I thought that was pretty and wanted the blue color to show. I did sand it with the sanding sponge, simply so that the paper would stick to it, because it was pretty shiny. But yeah, let's see. I was trying to think if I want anything else. I mean, I do have a piece of napkin. And that is a pretty flower. Got glue stuck to my hands. I think that would look alright. I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. Since I was originally going to put napkin on it anyway, we'll go ahead and put a piece down. Alright. So that's it on this one. When we come back, we'll do one of the substitution series videos, which I'm excited for this one. And then we'll do a creative block video, and then we'll get back on to doing this stuff here. So just a quick video. Alright guys, I will see you later. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!